Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
If I can choose whatever I have created here, right? So he will be having access to here. Here is where all the front desk employees come up. If I give this here, whoever belongs to that particular hierarchy, he will be having access to all of them. Okay, again, where is the other one? Some items are not shown. If I do this here, all the front desk employees, whoever I have selected in that hierarchy will be this employee, this manager will be having access to them. And one more is job transfer set, which is not currently loading out here. Let me refresh again. I'll pick another employee. Yeah, so here we have different items, right? Organization group. We will map whatever he created all front desk like this based on the hierarchy. We will map it out. Again, in this employee group, we will have another privilege where we'll be creating similar to that and the job transfer level sets. Right now what we created, all NA, right? Sorry, that will also come here. Job transfer. Here, whatever we created as job transfer sets. So that's the difference here. So here, if you can see, others are all organization sets. This is the one which I have created as job transfer set. So once you create it as a job transfer, we need to map it in this position. Job transfer set will come as job transfer set here. All indeed. Organization group. Whatever we have created as organization sets will come here. What is the difference means? This is like we'll give access to the employees who are under that division. This is like job transfer set. What it does means even if the employee is working in a transfer to other department, he will still have access to this. Example, I am from a department Keran. Okay. Okay. Like my manager will be different and your manager will be different. But if I am going to work on B department also, my manager will be having access to me. If I am getting transferred for a particular 2 or 3 days, my manager can see my data. And again, another way, like if you want to say, I just need access to a particular set of people. Yeah. If you want to have access to only a particular population, not based on hierarchy or other thing, I just need her to have access to whoever is reporting to me. Then, as I said, we have the supervisor number right here. We can have all the supervisors here and we can select, okay, this is my number. Only these people I should be having visibility to. We can create a, say this employee is a country head, okay, or is like the head for all Australia. If we select Australia and save it here, I'll give like all AUS. Okay. If I select this and save it here, what happens is now I have given him access. You can see in the summary whoever belongs to this particular. the second value in the primary labor account. Whoever has the second value as US, this manager will be having access to. If I send it out like this, yeah. So here there are a set of employees who are having the second value as Australia. All these people, this particular manager will be capable of accessing, viewing, editing and all doing everything. Okay. Clear how we are doing it. So this is about the employee group. We can filter out these two. These two is based on the primary job. We can give access to set up population based on the primary job. Whoever is working in pharma, this manager will be having access to. Whoever is working in North Division, this manager will be having access to. So these conditions we can create using the org sets and job transfer sets. Again, if you want to create condition based on the primary labor account, we can create it through like either employee role. Either through the employee group or through the labor level sets. Both will have same thing. So here we can define condition based on each. He belongs to this second level. L1 value should match this. Those people will have access to L2 matches. This he'll be having access to. And again, it's not like Australia, but say this is a condition. He needs to have all the Australian employee access as well as whoever is working in this particular cost center. Who is working in shipping department? That means that also we can give. So he will have access to all the Australian employees as well as whoever is working in the 404 cost center. We can add multiple conditions. Okay. Like these, things will be a little vague to you. So once you get into a project and start working, you will be getting an idea of where we are using it, why we have these items. Once you get to know the live data, you will have that idea of why we are doing this. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.